Hi everyone, Sylvia here, and here I am with yet another brilliant review of mine. Today's my review on Plan2Profit. So here I have the access to this training course. Not only is it a training course, but way more than that. I'll explain in a second. I have the sales page for you guys. This is the creators, the guys behind the product. I'll tell you about them in a second. And I also have my sales page is right below my video, guys, and that's the way to buy this product too. So, well, first of all, I'm very excited to share this product with you because I know these people, especially this beautiful lady here. ShipShop is her YouTube channel. Her name is Shipra. We both are members of the same great affiliate marketing training called Ministry of Freedom. So I have been interacting with Shipra quite a lot, and I know like how hardworking, focused, and determined she is to succeed. She's been working super hard. I mean, this training course, well, this product, Plan2Profit, is her first product. I know that she has put her heart and soul into it, and you know, she's put a lot of effort into it, her experience. She's done tons of like reviews, and like she has been really on fire. She's been very inspirational. Well, it has been very inspirational to me to witness her growth and how pro she has become at what she does. Yeah, she's been like firing up tons of like amazing reviews. She's this like high energy lady. You will see, like, even watch the video on the sales page. You do have access to the sales page, so via my bonus page, guys, you can go to the sales page and go through all of the information and watch that video on the sales page. I'll show you in a second. Let's actually jump to the sales page and just see what they've got to say about this. So here they say that, well, Plan2Profit, start living your life. Finally cracked. You don't need to be an artist to generate passive profits. Build a massive Plan2Profit that people will stand in line to join. Are you ready to finally have real results with zero experience in just a few minutes? So that's the claims. That's what they claim on the sales page. Well, this is Shipra, a beautiful lady, as you can tell. And here we have some more information on this product. This sales page is not too lengthy. And now you will get to it via my bonus page, guys. So I just want to scroll down and show you some testimonials as well. They are by my colleagues as well from my affiliate training course. This is Ludmil, beautiful lady. I know her from my training course. Kalim, I call him the daddy of affiliate marketing. I mean, like, his YouTube channel is called Kalim's, with a Z, Kalim's YouTube channel. Well, he does some amazing reviews, like very stylish, and you know, he really knows his stuff. This is me, so I left my testimonial. Okay, guys, you have also money back guarantee, 15 days. I believe they give you money back guarantee. So let's jump to the product. Okay, so guys, in a nutshell, what Plan2Profit is, well, it's a few things. You have like the front end where you can essentially use Plan2Profit as a lead magnet, so as a lead capture, what you call it, a hub, right? So you would be sending traffic to this product, Plan2Profit, and with your, as an affiliate marketer, with your affiliate link. Okay, so it's all done for you, the video, the sales page, the squeeze page, and then there would be a place where you input your affiliate link. So you know, the more they sell, and if they sell well with your affiliate link, then obviously you get the commissions as an affiliate marketer. So you would be building their email list, yes, with the front end, and getting the commissions as an affiliate marketer. But with the upsell number 1, there is this option that you would be building your email list. And also in this is also a training on how to do that, how to build that affiliate link, how to make that squeeze page, so people, like, in order to receive the, like in this case, the Plan2Profit, because this is the lead magnet, you would be giving this away also. Then people would submit the email address, and this is the way to build the email list. Yeah, so it's also like an in-depth training. You see, you've got like 9 modules on how to do affiliate marketing, and they will give you training. They'll give you a lot of info on how to utilize free traffic and paid traffic. And Shipra, I've watched which one was it, the introduction? In the introduction, or does she say it in the what is Plan2Profit? In this one, probably, yes. She explains to you that, you know, she's quite straightforward. She says, like, with free traffic, it's going to take you way more time, you know, to see results, but there is this option also, paid traffic, that you can make use of and see results much faster. Okay, so let me show you what's inside. So this is the welcome video from Shipra's partner. The introduction is by Shipra, and then what is Plan2Profit, Shipra will explain to you what you can expect out of this product, what it is, and you know, and then you go ahead and do the modules. So module number 2 is top 3 sources of passive income. Module number 3 is software tools and GetResponse. So GetResponse is an autoresponder. You know, there are like monthly fees. You would pay around $15, something like that, monthly. So it's a great autoresponder, and also they have this like amazing, just to let you know, affiliate offer that when you actually promote GetResponse, you get some serious commissions. So it's definitely like a lot to GetResponse. It's not just an autoresponder. And then module 4 is lead capture, how to capture leads, and then like ultimately build that strong email list. And then number 5 is welcome email, follow-up email, and also like all of the emails will be done for you, so they'll be sending the follow-up emails to this offer, to Plan2Profit. Like the Plan2Profit is obviously the lead magnet, right? And then Plan2Profit system, right? And then we have, okay, so this one is, as I said, on traffic. So free versus paid traffic, forum traffic, solo ads, and save lists. And module number 8 is launch jacking, so product launch jacking and launch jacking. So like I guess like an introduction to affiliate marketing, and they will explain to you how it works, how to do that. So launch jacking is something that I am doing at the moment, obviously, that, you know, you promote other people's products, and then you would apply for the affiliate link. Once your affiliate link is approved from like platforms like Warrior Plus or JVZoo, ClickBank as well, and from ClickBank you don't actually need the approval, but once you get that link approved, you can promote the product. You input your affiliate link and you get the commission if people buy via your link. And then module number 9, YouTube marketing. And then we have conclusion, take action, opportunities. I'm sure they will talk to you about mindset as well, because it's absolutely critical to come with the right kind of mindset that you're determined to succeed, and you take your time, you put effort, energy, and time, and you have this understanding that no such a thing as like quick money. You will have to put some hard work into anything you want to do, because it's about building a strong foundation for things to come later on. And then we have the upgrades. I'll show them to you, and some bonuses. The bonuses, guys, also that they give you on top of just the front end are actually on the sales page. Let me show them to you now. Okay, one sec, just bear with me, guys. Let me scroll down to the end of the sales page, and here we have okay, that's the money back guarantee, and the bonuses are just here. See them? Okay, so all of the bonuses, check them out, they're on the sales page. 5 of them, you get them on top of just the front end. And then, of course, you have the support. You can join the Facebook support group, and I know Shipra is crazy active on her Facebook group. So any problems, whenever you feel like you're in the gray area or something like that, you get stuck, reach out. She'll be more than happy to give you a hand. Alright, so my bonus page, guys, is below my video, and that's how you buy the product if you want to buy it from me, and if you think you would benefit from this beautiful training course, very smartly put together. You could, again, like you would use this Plan2Profit as a lead capture hub. So it's cool. Alright, so you have like a short description on my bonus page. Now we have all of the prices. So this front end goes at $12.95, but on the sales page, guys, if you kind of like refresh the sales page, you scroll up and down, you will have this pop-up of $3. So you will have $3 off. If you hurry up, I don't know for how long it's gonna stay there, but you can actually get it for $10, just the front end, where you would be using Plan2Profit as a lead magnet again, to build up their email list, but with your affiliate link, and you'd be getting the commissions. But with upsell number 1, so it's like a lead capture funnel for $29.95. You would also, there's like a video squeeze page, thank you page, and 50 follow-up emails. So you would have it will give you the means to build up your own email list as well. Upsell number 2 is the Plan2Profit email club for $39.95. So again, like some done for you emails and 1 new lead capture set. Also like a live session, Q&A live session with those guys who are behind the Plan2Profit, Shipra and Dean. Cool. And then upsell number 3 is tracking tool for $59.95. So some secrets on solo ads and affiliate links. All right. And upsell number 4 is reseller rights. So how to, you can basically sell Plan2Profit as your own product and get 100% commission through across the whole funnel. So there is some like nice money to be made here. And here are my bonus page. This is my bonus page, and here are my some bonuses that I have received from my mentor John Armstrong. So John Armstrong is the guy behind Ministry of Freedom. Okay, the Super Affiliate High Ticket course, Super Affiliate Training course. We are members of. So myself, Shipra. I'm not sure about Dean. Probably he's a member as well. So we are so grateful for this course. It's got this like amazing community and all of that. So super. I could talk for hours about Ministry of Freedom, but this is not the focus of this review, right? This review is on Plan2Profit. Okay, so Jonah has given me some nice bonuses to give to my buyers who decide to buy via the link below my video. So first one is access to Enigma. It's first 12 hours only. So make sure, guys, once you buy Plan2Profit, bookmark this bonus straight away. Number 2 is free Instagram traffic hack. Number 3 is 4 proven insider tips for making great channel content. And number 4 is get access Equinox Pro, so the Pro version. And the last one is all of the vendor bonuses, so cool. Alright guys, so through my bonus page you go to you will get to the sales page. Okay, so on my bonus page you need to smash one of these buttons here. Okay, here we are, just any of these, I don't know, blue light buttons. They are across throughout my bonus page, and then like once you're on the sales page, you know, check it out, watch the video by Shipra, and then you just click on this one here, click here to get full access now. Alright, and then you will be sent an email that will send you to a platform called Warrior Plus. This one here. Now, this one, my bonuses will be here, guys, and the green one is Plan2Profit and all of the vendor bonuses. Okay, guys, so I shall hope you have enjoyed my review on Plan2Profit. Very happy and proud to share this amazing training course, a very smart product, you know, that will allow you to actually use Plan2Profit as a lead magnet, a way. It's going to be a fantastic way if you pick up Upsell number 2 to build your own email list as well. And you will learn a lot on traffic and on, well, on email marketing. And it's absolutely essential because they keep saying the money is in the list, and I'm sure there's a reason for that. But you need to know how to build that email list and how to write emails and all of that. So yeah, enjoy the product. If you decide this is for you, you know how to buy it via the link below my video. Okay, ciao and have a gorgeous day. I shall see you in my next review. Bye.